NABARD का full form something you told wrong. Can you tell me right now?
National Bank for Rural and Agricultural
Agriculture and Rural Development. हाँ?
यदि पैन कार्ड नहीं है आपके पास तो आप खाता खोल सकते हैं. यस,
We can open an account with that PAN card.
OTP का फुल फॉर्म
Online.
MP4 क्या है और ये कहाँ इस्तेमाल होता है?
No idea.
Linux, Windows, क्या है ये?
No idea. Sorry.
I asked you what type of products are included in digital banking.
In digital banking.
What do you mean by a profit and loss account?
No idea.
Yes, come in. Take your seats.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes. Mansi,
Yes, sir.
you are BCom graduate, no?
Yes.
And not taken further education?
I'm pursuing MBA currently from IMRT, MVP's IMRT College, Nashik at Gangapur Road.
Good, good. You are doing anchoring, no?
Yes, I did anchoring in the now in pre-Diwali celebration in our college,
Okay.
which was held before Diwali, and I did anchoring in that.
Good, good, good. Very nice. Can you introduce yourself and tell me about
Yes.
your family background?
Myself, Mansa Kishore Kothaude. My father's name is Kishore Nimba Kothaude. He is currently working as a mechanical engineer in Electronica Tungsten Limited at Sinnar. And my mom is an assistant professor. She has a work experience of 22 years in the educational field. She is a mathematician. She did pursued her PhD 2 years ago from the Sandeep University, and she's currently working as an assistant professor in Guru Gobind Singh College of Nashik, and she's also doing postgraduate course now. And I have a sister. She's in 10th standard now. Her name is Saili Kishore Kothaude.
Good. You are comfortable to speak in English, no? No problem.
Yes,
No?
sir, no problem.
So you are done here. Hobbies driving, huh? Okay. What
Yes.
type of driving you are doing?
I like to drive car.
Car only.
As soon as I completed 18 years of age, I learned two-wheeler and four-wheeler driving, and I like driving to different places.
Okay. Very good. Very good. So what do you mean by financial papers? Because you are done BCom, no? Yes. Can you tell me what do you mean by financial papers?
Financial papers or financial statements?
Yeah, okay. You can tell financial statement. Yes.
Financial statements are those statements of a company or an institution which consist of the data related to costs, expenses, everything which are incurred in a year or a particular time period, which consists the data related to cost or other expenses related to the company assets, liabilities, etc. And from that we can evaluate what's the performance, what's the current financial position of an institution or a firm, etc.
What do you mean by a profit and loss account?
Profit and loss account consists of the expenses, expenditure and income related expenses, cost, from which we can evaluate and know that what's the current performance of a company or a firm, whether it's in profit or it's in loss. And it's been prepared for currently a period of 1 year, that is a financial year for every company or institution.
Any specific reason you want to join banking sector?
Yes, sir. Actually, it's the reason that since 8th standard, I had a will to do a government job. As in our home, my father has 6 uncles. Our family is quite big in size, and amongst the 3 uncles are in government sector. I mean, one uncle, he was a professor, associate professor in government institution, and one of my means grandfather was in defense account systems. He was a grade B officer when he got retired, and one of my grandfathers was in SBI. He was SBI branch manager in Nashik. So from since my family looking at them, I had a will to have a government job. And also when I joined BYK College of Commerce, I was doing graduation. What government job is, what qualities are then in government job? We have some other, I mean, preferences are there. We get perk visits, good payment, salary is there, and due to that, I had a will to do government job, and I have a target to be a government officer be a RBI Grade B officer in future. And I
See,
think
presently, lot of pressure, work pressure is there in banking
Yes,
sector.
sir.
So are you ready to take that responsibility?
Yes, sir. In any sector there is pressure, whether in private or whether in
Okay,
government. In any sector we have to work effortlessly. There is peer pressure, there is pressure from the seniors. So I think in any sector work is there, and in whether also in government sector work is there. It's not like that in private sector we have less work, or in government sector we have less work. So I think in any sector where we go, we should work honestly, with loyalty, and with great efforts.
See, you will join as a probationary officer, correct? Na? If you are
Yes.
selected.
My target is RBI Grade B, but currently I have given IBPS clerk means, and I think I will be qualified in that.
Okay. If you are selected as a PO, correct? No. So what are the roles and responsibilities of as a probationary officer in the bank?
As a probationary officer, I'm sorry, I don't know much about the duties performed by him, but I think it's a post more than the clerical post. And being a probationary officer, he has to manage the different tasks and activities related to the associates or the juniors in the bank. He or she has to manage all the work related to the what the juniors perform, or overall he's being an officerial post, and he has to perform many activities.
Have you visited any bank so far?
Yes, sir.
Which bank?
Bank of Maharashtra, HDFC Bank. Whenever I had some work related to my account or any family member's account.
See, when you visited the bank, no, people are sitting across the counter, correct? Na?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what type of works they are doing during the whole day?
Means the customer visiting the
No, I'm asking about staff.
staff. Okay.
Yeah.
There are many work nowadays. Many work is being done digitally in the bank, and different type of work is done. Like cash withdrawal is done, cash deposits are done. Customers come for taking different type of errors, such as if any entry is to be done, or passbook updation is to be done, or any cash is to be withdrawn, FD is to done, etc. So different type of works are done by the employees
staff.
in the bank. Yes, different type of customer comes with different complaints, or different sort of work they have, like passbook updation. They have to any cash they withdraw, or any FD they do, or any different type of
Mansi, you tell me about digital banking.
digital banking. I did that course 3 years ago when lockdown was there, and from Infosys Springboard I did digital banking course. And nowadays banking sector is mostly being digital. Most work is being done on different websites. There is not much of paperwork. Much work is being done technically in banks nowadays. So digital banking is that the work related to banking is done in digital terms, with respect to technological advancements. Different technology and websites are being used for the work related to banking.
I asked you what type of products are included in digital banking.
In digital banking products,
For example, mobile banking, internet banking,
okay.
BIM QR, UPI. These are the products of
Digital
banking,
banking.
correct?
Okay,
Na?
sir. Yes.
Yes. Mansi, how you will, if you join, na, how you will prove yourself as an asset for the bank?
Okay, being an asset, I will try to work effortlessly, complete my work timely, respect all the staff, being whether they are senior or junior to me. I would try to complete the work done given to me on time, and would try to complete the work in profitable terms, such as if the work is given to me, I'll try to negotiate with the customer properly, help the customers in an efficient manner, and therefore I will try to work properly.
Good. Very nice. Do you know about Mudra loan?
It's a scheme by the PM.
Okay, yes, correct. Tell me in short, what is that?
I don't know much about it, sir, but I think in it different type of loans are given to the um, different persons, which has certain limits up to, I think, 10 or 15 lakhs loan is given to the customers. I read about it, but currently I'm not able
Okay,
to
okay.
tell about
What is FDI?
FDI. Financial Development Index.
No. So my last questions to you. What efforts you have taken to clear this examination?
Currently, I gave the IBPS clerk exam. So it was bit challenging for me, sir, because I also had my internal exams, semester one internal exams in my college, which I'm studying. I'm RT college, and the biggest challenge was that along with giving that exams, alongside giving which was of 50 marks each subject, I had to also manage IBPS clerk exam. So when I told the director, sir, all the teachers about the exam I passed, IBPS clerk prelims exam I passed in the college, they all considered and they all told, best of luck for your exams, congratulations. And I requested them, sir, please give me some time for studying, as the difficulty level for this exams is very high. Though it's a clerk exam, but the difficulty level is very high. I have to study about different subjects. I have to give time for mock tests. So they all gave me the consideration to take a 4-day break for studying about these exams. And in those 4 days, I gave my best efforts. I gave about 5 to 6 mock tests per day. I studied about the current affairs, what's going on. I mean, current affairs is quite fast, very fast, but as per as I can, I studied 10 to 12 hours per day, and I tried to give my best. My exam was in Bhuj Knowledge City, and in those 4 days, I tried to give my best so that I can crack the exam in first attempt. It was my first attempt, sir.
Very nice. Madam, you can start.
नॉइसी
Yes.
विंडोज मैक ओएस लिनक्स क्या है
OS ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बोलते हैं ना, OS
Okay.
लिनक्स विंडोज
Okay.
क्या है ये?
Windows Max Linux operating system.
नो आइडिया.
No idea. Sorry.
एचडीडी का पूरा नाम क्या है
No idea, ma'am.
पीएसटीएन का पूरा नाम बताएं
No idea, ma'am.
एटीएम कार्ड के पीछे सीवीवी लिखा होता है
Okay.
इसका मतलब क्या होता है
I had seen the ATM card. I don't know what it really means.
भारतीय स्टेट बैंक की टैगलाइन क्या है
Bharatiya State Bank. I mean, State Bank of India.
टैगलाइन इसकी
Sorry.
आरबीआई के फर्स्ट गवर्नर कौन थे पहले गवर्नर
Shaktikant Das.
पहले
Pehli governor. Governor. I only know one name. Shaktikant Das. Don't remember the first.
क्यूआर कोड का पूर्ण रूप फुल फॉर्म क्या है
QR code.
फुल फॉर्म ये तो
रोज की हाँ
रोजमर्रा वाली चीजें हैं लाड़की बहन योजना में हर महिला को कितने पैसे दिए
1500, ma'am. It was told about 2100, but 1500 has been deposited every uh, for every month in the banks.
एफडी का मतलब क्या होता है
Fixed deposit.
अगर पैन कार्ड नहीं है
Hmm.
तो खाता खोल सकते हैं
In a bank account, you're talking.
यदि पैन कार्ड नहीं है आपके पास तो आप खाता खोल सकते हैं यस
Actually, talking about myself, I have a bank account and my PAN card came just 6 months ago. So I think we can open an account with that PAN card. Because before that, I was having a bank account.
ओटीपी का फुल फॉर्म
OTP. Online. OTP तो रोज आता है.
ये रोज वाली चीजें ही गलती करती हैं
गलती करती हूँ. Yes. OTP तो रोज कितनी बार यूज होता है.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन MP4 क्या है और ये कहाँ इस्तेमाल होता है MP4
MP4. No idea.
Yes, sir.
Mansi ji, what do you know about Sanchar Sarthi?
Sanchar, it's a yojana by the Prime Minister. It's a scheme, Sanchar Sarthi, by the central government of India.
It is launched by Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav in last year.
Yes, he was the railways minister of India, And currently he's a central minister, but I don't remember in which.
ठीक है. What is the full form of IRDA?
IRDAI.
IRDA, yeah, correct.
I,
Okay. Please tell me about briefly under Negotiable Instrument Act, NIACL.
Negotiable instruments. About that act, I have to tell.
Please briefly.
Negotiable instruments are the instruments. I have read about it. That act briefly tells about the all the work or all everything related to be negotiable instruments. It contains different regulations and norms for applied for the purpose of negotiable instruments. And
ठीक है. What do you mean by BCPF? BCPF. Do you know about BCPF? Okay. Tell me about some schemes related to insurance for rural and unbanked people. I repeat, tell me about some schemes related to insurance for rural and unbanked people.
okay, PM Jan Dhan Yojana, PM Swarna Mudra Yojana. I mean, I don't know briefly about this, but this yojanas work for the enhancement and development of people, providing different incentives to them for work. And there are different schemes by NABARD also. I mean, NABARD banks also provide different loans and incentives to the rural people, especially the farmers, for their development and for loan purposes.
What is the full form of NABARD?
National Bank for National Bank for Rural and Agriculture.
What is the role of NABARD?
The role of NABARD is they work for the betterment and enhancement of the rural peoples, especially for the farmers, for the agricultural development, lending loans to them. If they are suffering from losses, they help the farmers. They give loans to them for the purpose of agricultural things, etc. Especially they work for rural development. Rural development is their basic criteria.
What is foreign exchange?
Foreign exchange rate. Foreign exchange is the rate at or interest rate at which a country country's foreign exchange reserves, I mean inputs and outputs, are.
Then why is foreign exchange important for us? What is the importance of foreign exchange?
For an economy to be stable, foreign exchange rate is important as the inputs and outputs related to a company. If it's export and import is important for a country to be balanced, and hence foreign exchange play an important role in the economic advancement of country.
My last question is, explain the Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana.
Okay. Don't know much about it, sir, but as much as I can tell about it, this yojana is for the girls, especially talking about the yojana. Sukanya means girls, and Sukanya Samruddhi is the meaning that for the enhancement and development of girls, especially for their education or betterment in their lives. This yojana is launched, I think, by the PM, Mr. Narendra Modi, for the betterment and enhancement of the girls. And this yojana provides incentive to the girls. I don't remember the exact amount, sir, but every month or for a particular time period for their efficiency.
Yes, Mansi,
Yes, sir.
I'm happy with your performance. Okay, but still you have to improve yourself.
Yes, sir.
Some areas are there
Yes.
where you are not given the satisfactory
Actually,
answer.
I think one of my weaknesses is that when I get free time, I watch TV and mobile, but I think I should make that time productive, reading about current affairs, reading about different economic and financial terms, so that I can answer the questions whenever I go for an interview in real terms, or whenever I can someone questions me about those, I can answer it.
Okay, your written mobile you are using for long duration, correct? Na?
Yes.
Is it for good purpose or bad purpose?
I mean, whenever I get free time, mostly I have college from 9 to 5, and I think for 1 to 2 hours, means whenever I start watching TV or mobile for 1 to 2 hours, I watch it. I mean, especially social media reels or etc. So I think it's my weakness, and I should convert it into my strength.
Good.
Reading about current affairs or different terms, which can help me for my advancement and personal growth in future.
So Mansi, now I will give my feedback for you, your performance. Okay, so don't mistake me. Okay, don't take it otherwise,
Yes.
because this is very important feedback
Yes.
for you. Okay, see, for every question you are giving long answer that you have
Okay.
to avoid.
Okay.
Correct,
sir.
na?
Yes.
You should speak in a very short.
Okay. sir.
You make your answer in a very short way.
Yes.
Correct? Hai? This is one of the point.
Okay.
And
sir.
your eye contact was good. Okay. Second, you could not answer about the FDI,
Yes.
foreign direct investment.
Foreign.
Other foreign companies, they are making investment in India
Yes.
to get the profit only.
Yes.
No other way. They are commercial only.
Yes.
Okay, so that you could not answer properly. Then mudra loan I asked about you. Correct? Na?
Mhm.
That also you could not answer.
Yes.
Here you have to update yourself.
Yes.
Then madam asked about you Windows, Mac, Linux, all are operating system only. Correct? Then madam asked about HDD full form. Technically you have to upgrade yourself.
Yes.
Right? PSTN का full form पूछा गया, that you could not answer. CVV, correct? Card
Yes.
verification value.
Okay.
Correct? No? Then SBI का tagline पूछा गया, हाँ? That you don't have any about idea about
Yes.
that tagline. Then RBI का first governor. Correct ना?
Hmm.
First means शक्तिकांत दास तो अभी आया है ना?
Yeah.
Then why you repeated 2 times Shaktikan Das? Correct? No,
Yes.
no. That is the first governor means CD Deshmukh.
Okay.
He was the first Indian governor.
Yes.
Also, you have to update your knowledge.
Yes.
QR code daily we are using that,
Daily.
na? Quick response code.
Okay.
Then PAN card is necessary, Mansi. In bank nowadays, PAN card is necessary. Without PAN, you cannot open the account in the bank.
Okay.
You told without PAN you can open the account. That is wrong.
Okay.
OTP, one-time password. Correct, na? There. Then MP4, this is the video file.
Okay.
Where you can be converted. Whatever you are taking video on this, it is converted through MP only. It is file format for video, MP3 for audio. Correct? Then NIACL sir asked about you, negotiable instrument. Something you told, you have deviation the answer. Negotiable instrument means check. Correct? Na? And then another something endorsement like that. Correct? Money rupee, that is instrument, negotiable instrument only. Correct? Na? Demand draft, negotiable instrument, that you should answer. Correct? Then BCBF something asked sir, na, you could not answer properly. Schemes, insurance rural unbanked people, that you could not answer properly. NABARD ka full form something you told wrong. Can you tell me right now?
National Bank for Rural and Agricultural
Agriculture and Rural Development. Huh?
Yes.
What is that? National Bank for
Agricultural
and Rural Development. You are telling rural and agriculture development. That
Yes.
mistake you have done. Foreign exchange importance you told rightly. Otherwise your performance was good. Okay. So improve yourself somewhere. Correct? And you will be success. Correct? So all the best.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.